What's going on, guys? Today we're going to take the Project Bronco, the toy Bronco, whatever you want to call it, out for its maiden voyage. We don't have any hardcore spots to test this thing out here, but we got a couple small hills and stuff like that, and we're actually going to drive it a little bit, just see how everything works, brakes and stuff like that. And obviously it's not road legal, but I do live in an area that has some very extreme back roads, and they're gravel, so we're just gonna run it nice and slow on those, and just like I said, get a feel for this thing before we go too hardcore with it, and maybe climb a couple small hills and stuff like that. So let's get this thing fired up. Will it start? Ooh, not the first try. Ooh, that starter's sounding awful, but it did fire up. Uh-oh, looks like we have a problem with our rear anti-lock. Oh boy. Alright, let's back this puppy out of the garage here. We got it outside here, we got it running. Sounds pretty good. Let's take it for a little ride. We definitely need to clean this thing out. Yeah, there's all kinds of extra junk in here. It doesn't need to be in here, and I think we're just gonna go ahead and get rid of this carpet. It looks like house carpet anyway. And so when we swap this thing, we wanted to just be able to drain back out through some of the rust holes and not get trapped with the carpet. All right, guys, we're underway. Make sure we have some brakes, and we got a little bit of brake. Almost feels like we got brake hanging up, but it might be because it's in low range. Check engine light too. That wasn't on before. There's fourth gear. She actually rides pretty nice. It's kind of smooth. It's kind of shocking. Got a little test drive out of that. Now let's go try and find some hills to climb. Like I said, there's nothing big around here, but there's a couple small ones. Let's see what this thing will do. There's actually a nice ditch there. The road's all washed off. Let's go through that. Probably it shouldn't be much for this thing, but it might be fun. Making it. That was a piece of cake for this thing. That was actually a really deep rut too. Let me back up. You can see, that's not really a joke there. That's pretty deep. That's a couple feet down in there, and this thing just crawled right through it. Let's do it one more time. All right, this actually gets a little bit better through there. It's extremely washed out. We might actually bottom out on that, so let's give it a shot. This thing's like a tank. This thing's fun. Not even a challenge for the Bronco. Gotta get in gear. We got this nice little bank here. See what we can do here. Right up it. Cakewalk. All right, that was cakewalk for the Bronco. Crawled right through that like it was nothing. See if we got any damage. I don't think so. It was pretty, like I said, pretty mild for this thing. Yeah. Looking good. I'm very excited to get some rugged terrain to try this thing out on. That wasn't you know, that wasn't nothing, but for this thing it was. We got our invisible glass. We need to clean a nice spot right here. We definitely got to put our sticker on here. Yeah, this thing might not clean up too bad. Maybe we should just restore it. Nah. Here we are, branded. That is the first YouTube sticker on the Bronco. We still have to name this thing, by the way, so if you have any good names, feel free to suggest them. But that is the first YouTube sticker on there, and of course it's mine. If any other YouTuber would like their sticker on here, give the Bronco a shout out on their channel and send me a sticker, and I'll be more than glad to put their sticker on there. So looking forward to more stickers. The Bronco's still outside. It's nighttime. And we need to turn this light bar on. That thing is just stupidly bright. That is awesome. Oh, here comes the bugs already. Look at that thing. It's like daylight. Here's a quick comparison. So here's the headlights. You can see, but it's just definitely not that bright. Whoops.